Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. T and my friends. My name is Jawa Zamaya. Here we will present the result of our study of a health crime film with the title The Doctor, episode 7, season 1. The first material is a summary of the film that will be delivered by my college. Next, the member is Alvina Trinurratmawati, Friska Nabila Wadu, Renzi Mauti Suci, Zawa Zamaya Alia Rahma. Next.
Introduction. In the film, The Good Doctor tells the story of doctors in treating their patient. In this episode, discuss two patients, namely Glenn and Liam. Starting at the hospital, there is an elderly patient named Glenn who is brought to the hospital by him next ward due to a heart attack at the hospital. Glenn refused to take action, had a pacemaker installed, and often ran away from his ward. Glenn did that because he had no family and he felt alone, so Glenn thought to end his life. Glenn was treated by a doctor named Dr. Jared. When Glenn ran away from his room, Dr. Jared was the one looking. Then Dr. Jared and Glenn tell the story of his life. Here, the life story of Dr. Jared. Glenn feels no longer alone, and Glenn is persuaded he is willing to go back to his room and take action. Finally, Glenn led in his room, accompanied by Dr. Jared. Selanjutnya, Zahwa Zamaya, saya persilahkan.
Then there is an autist patient named Liam. The first time he came to the hospital, he had an injury to his ankle. Liam was hysterical as the doctor treated him for action. Liam continued to rebel. Then his parents and Dr. Sean Murphy is coming. Liam felt as if handled by Dr. Sean Murphy. Dr. Sean Murphy is a doctor who also suffers from autism like Liam. Dr. Sean Murphy diagnosed that Liam has a disease in his digestive tract. The solution, Liam had to undergo surgery. At first, Liam's parents refused if Dr. Sean Murphy was involved in Liam's operation because Dr. Sean Murphy has autism. Liam's parents took Dr. Sean Murphy to perform Liam's surgery. Liam's parents think that autist doctor can handle surgery. Then Dr. Melendez persuaded Liam's parents that Dr. Sean Murphy was in on the operation. Otherwise, Dr. Melendez suggests transferring Liam to another hospital. Liam also wanted to be handled by Dr. Sean Murphy in his operation. Then Liam's parents agreed because it was his son's request. Finally, Liam's operation went smoothly and was successful. Selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh teman saya, Renzi.
Okay, thanks, Jawa. The next material is medical staff in the movie handle the patient. Dr. Sean Murphy is dealing with patient with autism is easier than other staff in dealing with Liam. Because Dr. Sean Murphy has the same condition as Liam. Meanwhile, Glenn is very happy to be handled by Dr. Jared because he felt calm and sympathetic to be invited to share stories and experience with Dr. Jared. Next material is most interesting thing. For the difficult part in the good doctor, there is a patient named Glenn who is old and has a heart attack. Glenn doesn't want to have action, has a pacemaker installed, and He often runs away from his work because he feels hopeless and doesn't have a family and live alone. So Glenn is thinking of his ending his life. But Dr. Jared looked for and finally met Glenn, and they talked each other about his life. From there, Glenn did not feel alone anymore, and Glenn was willing to take action. And until finally Glenn did. As head worker, we must be ready to protect and provide enlightenment so that patients are not afraid or think that is beyond reason. We as health worker continue to face patient attitude like that with great passion. The next material will continue by Friska.
Thank you, Renzi. There is a patient, a child who suffers from autism. This child is named Liam. Liam suffered a wound on his temple. He continued to rebel. Then not long ago, Dr. Sean Murphy came. He was a doctor who also suffered from autism, so Liam could calm down. The solution for Liam was surgery, but Liam's patient initially did not agree and doubted Dr. Sean Murphy, and finally Dr. Melendez came and managed to persuade Liam's patient. William himself agreed because he was ready if Dr. Sean Murphy did this. So according to the story of this second patient, as a health worker, he must be alert and ready if there are patients with autism as children. This is because at any time it can wreak and harm others. On the inside part of the good doctor, Dr. Sean Murphy has autism, and will he treat autistic patient like him? Dr. Sean Murphy can control his child a little and know how to deal with the child because they are the same, both are in the same condition. Differences in communication between patient and in the Indonesia context. According to our group, medical staff communication in Indonesia have stages starting from greeting the patient, introducing oneself to the patient, explaining the purpose of Earth action, providing a time contract for the action, ask the patient availability to the state of farewell. The stakes are the same as in the film, only signs different in communication between patient and medical staff in Indonesia with the film. Namely, the medical staff in the film does not give a time contract to the patient before the procedure is carried out. In the film, medical professionals, when communicating with patients, show a lot of sympathy for the problem faced by a patient. Medical staff are also looking for solutions how their communication with patients can build mutual trust, even though medical staff also respect whatever decision the patient makes. Untuk selanjutnya dilanjutkan oleh Zahwa.
Okay, thank you for your attention. By the material, the group 5 can describe about the film The Good Doctor. Hopefully, it can be useful for college, and we also apologize if there are more mistakes. more or less. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.